Hi there, this is Paul Pona, and I'm super excited to introduce you to our best ever product to date, AvatarBuilder, a project that we have been trying to crack since 2016. And after 2 full years of development and over $250,000 spent on this technology, this right here is our best product to date. In fact, when we showed this technology to Amazon, they were so impressed that they got us accepted into their Amazon Startup Migrate program, which is a super hard program to get into, and it allowed us direct access to Amazon's own product managers and tens of thousands of dollars worth of high-end infrastructure, which again, we implemented in this technology, which makes it a completely future-proof way of creating videos. Now, before we jump into this app, let me kind of give you a quick run through the main features of the AvatarBuilder app. AvatarBuilder uses the latest advancements in video animation, artificial intelligence, and state-of-the-art multilingual video technologies to attract more customers, sales, and leads without any experience, fancy equipment, or even the need to be on camera yourself. For the first time ever, you can now customize and design your own virtual talking Pixar and Disney style animated 3D avatars within seconds and wow your audiences like never before. 2D and 3D animated avatars especially are proven to outperform spokesperson videos and even other styles of videos and presentations due to their uniqueness and the big budget needed to be producing these types of animated videos. For example, just a 30-second 3D animation character video alone costs $800 or more on a website like Fiverr, which is known for $5 gigs. Now, when you go into Upwork or even directly to clients, you're looking at tens of thousands of dollars for the high-end animation that you can create inside AvatarBuilder. Platforms like Google, Shopify, and even non-profit institutions are using 3D animation and avatars to run video ads and commercials. These are the same style of videos that we've used on our own sales videos in the past that have generated millions in sales, outperforming every other type of sales video or explainer video. Now you have the same power in your hands with absolute simplicity. Select from our wide variety of 3D avatars built into the app and customize everything from head to toe using the revolutionary first of its kind visual avatar builder technology. Custom make your own 3D avatar for any marketing goal to convey your message to the masses and grow your brand in a fun and engaging way. You have total control over the customization process. Change the colors and look of the clothing, hair, skin, accessories, and select from a wide variety of props like eyeglasses, shoes, watches, vests, and a lot more with unlimited design possibilities. Get the avatars to speak anything you want in any language you choose with award-winning text-to-speech in hundreds of natural-sounding male and female voices in all the popular languages and accents. This right here is the largest collection of text-to-speech voices available in any one app. You can also record your own voice into the app in any language and have the avatar speak it with perfect lip sync. You can also convert any audio or video into text and translate it into any language with our powerful instantaneous speech-to-text transcription engine, which is the first of its kind technology to reach global audiences. Our artificial intelligence-backed smart scene creator technology automatically transforms any text into stunning, attention-grabbing videos and video slides with dazzling text effects, animations, and of course, text-to-speech, video backgrounds, and more in seconds. Effortlessly change the fonts, animations, backgrounds, transitions to suit your needs with our intuitive and easy to use interface. You can even add your own video backgrounds, animations, show reels, and more. Or even bring your own videos from other apps and spice them up with our 3D animated avatars, because you can put them as the background video and the avatars can be placed on top of that. You also get better results and leave your competition in the dust with this technology because you have more than 1,000, yep, you heard that right, customizable, done for you video templates from the hottest niches and industries with different types of videos included. That means you can create impressive and engaging videos for any marketing goal, including 3D explainer videos, animated videos, educational, e-commerce, social media, YouTube presentations, and even sales videos like the ones we've created, which we are well known for, in just a few minutes. And want to create more custom videos? No problem. Use our revolutionary open canvas video builder to design your own videos in any language from scratch. Now let me show you how easy it is to use the app. It's just 8 simple steps. I'll walk you through it. I'll walk you through some simple and easy to use features, and then you can go in and try it out yourself and be amazed. The first step is right here. You can choose one of the text effects that would happen when you want to create a video from simply copy pasting a text. So meaning you can get an article, you can get a blog post or any text and convert it into a 3D animation explainer video and even a long form sales video as well, which again is really, really powerful. Now, how you do this is you just pick one. So here you can just hover over your mouse and it's going to show you a whole bunch of actual video style. So we have typewriter, we have box text, we have isometric text, meaning you can get these animations literally by pasting a bunch of scripts. And of course, once you choose this option, you also get a bunch of templates to choose from. So let's say I choose this option right here, the second option on my screen. I click next, and then I am offered a bunch of options here. You have blank canvas, which is a little bit more custom way of doing videos, or you can choose one of our templates right here. Now, normally you might see 100, a couple of hundred, or 50 templates and so on. Well, here you have more than 1,000 templates across these text effects and so on built in, with professional voiceovers, with professional scripts already written, all that stuff ready to go, so you can look like a professional in just a few clicks. So let's, for example, say we wanted to pick one of these ready-made templates right here. Well, let's do that right away. So we could choose, let's say, this one, okay? And click next, and then you can choose one of our 3D avatars that's built in. We have a ton of them right here, as you can see. You can pick any one of them. I mean, it's up to you what you decide to pick. So let's hypothetically say I wanted to pick one of these avatars here, or any one of them for that matter. So let's say, let me pick this one, Noah. So now here, as you can see, I have ready-made voiceover pre-selected, as you can see here, for that particular voiceover, okay? Or I can use text-to-speech here, and we have a whole bunch of text-to-speech and voices and so on, the biggest in any app out there. Now, this right here is where you can edit the script to your heart's desire, okay? Now, this is where you can change it to your heart's desire, and then automatically it's going to convert that over into speech. You can also basically bring in your own audio, which is where the speech-to-text console is built in here, meaning you can import an audio and it's going to convert that speech into text. Okay, that's where this section comes in here. You select it from your library, and then that's important because every single audio that you import or create, we are actually lip syncing the avatar and also positioning the text in a very animated way with transitions and so on. Because of that, we can actually create a video either from audio, from any text that you paste, or any ready-made voiceover and so on. Okay, so now let me actually click the ready-made voiceover, and let's do that for simplicity purposes. Look at this right here. Automatically, we have a whole bunch of video slides and scenes created. Okay, automatically, it's using machine learning, meaning it automatically, no matter what script you write, it's gonna find out when to do the line spacing and all that mumbo jumbo stuff to make it really, really slick and professional. And you also have some font choices that you can use here to change up your fonts to your heart's desire, which is awesome. And then now click next. Once you're happy with that, now you can change the text color, meaning it's going to change this text color across for the entire video. You can change the box color. Now this was for the box text, so meaning your text is having that little box around it, right? And a background. Well, you can change that from black right now that it is to any other color that you wish. You can also upload your company logo. Now this company logo will be like a watermark, which is going to be throughout all the video scenes. Now this is also up to you. You want to do it or not. Okay, now click next. And then here is where the magic happens. You can customize the avatar to your heart's desire. So you can see that I can turn off the hair, I can turn on the hair, I can give another hairstyle here, and so on and so forth. I can change the beard, I can remove the beard, right? I can add a bigger beard. Now let's say I wanted to give him a little bit darker beard here, okay? Click OK, I can do that. Now let's say I wanted to give him blonde hair, right? Let's say I want to add that. Well, I can do that right here, as you can see there. Now that beard doesn't suit his blonde hair, so now I can give him a little bit more of a blondish, brownish beard, let's say, right? I can do that. It's a complete color picker, as you can see here. And then now I can change his eyebrow color. Let's say I wanted to change that. I can do it, change his eyebrow slightly. And of course, you can also change even the fingernail color, okay? Now this is important because, again, the animation size is so good that even when you zoom in, these variables are really good. You can even change the color of the lips, the body, the box that he's holding. You can even change the color of that. So let's say you wanted to change it to some other color. You can do that, like maybe brown. You can do that. This is how it changes the color. You can change the color of his pants. So let's say you wanted to change it to some other color of your choice. Well, you can do it too. You have full customization capabilities like so. I want to change it to the shirt to maybe something like a navy bluish kind of shirt. Well, I can do that right away. You see this? How awesome it is. I can even change the color of the shoes, okay? I can change his body color, right? So let's say I want to change his body color to something else. I can do that too. Just make sure that, you know, it's not a completely different color like green or something. But you can change it to your heart's desire, basically. As you can see here, you can give him a slight tan. You can do whatever you want, as you can imagine. Now, the cool thing is, once you've selected your options, okay, you can either save it or you can just go next, okay? Which means you can actually upload a logo here as well. So if I upload a logo here, that's gonna automatically get mapped into the actual box right here, okay? That's called logo mapping, which means every single video that you create with this avatar, you can actually put a logo, which could be for delivery services in this case. It could be for example, an e-commerce business, which is shipping products, any brick and mortar business, and so on. And then once you've chosen that, which is what I've done, I've just uploaded my logo. Well, you can now go to the next step, right? Basically here. Now, this is where it generates the entire scenes for you. See this? While I was building the whole sequence, it created all the scenes for me for just a simple text that I've pasted. It can be a blog post and so on. Now, you can come here in this section and you can actually change the background media. So if I click on the upload button, I can go into the media library and I can put a bunch of image backgrounds. So for example, let's say this is for a delivery business. I can go into any of these integrations that we have here, and then I can just say delivery, for example, right? So let's say delivery, and I can find a delivery based background as an example, as you can see here, right? So I could do that if I wish, or I can do whatever I want, literally. So for example, if I go here and I can say delivery, right? And I get a bunch of these delivery based backgrounds, as you can see here, and I can put them as well, which is powerful. And also you can put your own video backgrounds as well to the sequence, which is again extremely powerful. So if, for example, if I want to do this, I can do a lot of cool stuff like cropping it, editing it, and so on and so forth. Or I can just close and go back and then change what I want to do. It's totally up to you. You can do whatever you want. You have full flexibility. So let's hypothetically say I want to do this, right? And I want to select this. Well, I can do that. I can even remove the background of that image as well if I wish. So you see this? How I've done that and automatically got updated for this particular scene. I can go to the next scene and do that. Or I can apply it to all scenes by clicking here, apply all, and I can change that screen over here. Or I can basically clear, and it's going to remove it from that particular sequence. You see this? I cleared it, and now I can upload a new background as well. So for example, if I wanted to put a background related to, for example, a video background or something like that, I can do that too. So for instance, let's say this, let's see here, something to do with this, let's say. Okay, I can choose this video background and automatically it's going to manage it. So it's going to crop it, sort it, and all that stuff intelligently so that it's going to be a beautiful video background. And you can add multiple video backgrounds and so on and so forth, right? And you can do all kinds of cool stuff. And I can show you so many other cool features. Of course, we'll be showing you all this process throughout the way. So now let's say, for example, I wanted to do a close-up of this. See how I can do the close-up of this avatar, right? I can, remove the avatar by clicking none. So now all the animations that I'm showing you, that can be done as well. I can choose the avatar to be on the right, for example, right? I can do all these positioning as well, right? Depending on the styles that I've chosen for the text, automatically the software gives you suggestions where to position, what to do, and so on. So you don't have to do any thinking on your part. Here, for example, it says avatar positioning for right. So there are certain text effects. It might show you how to do it left, so on and so forth. Depending on the avatar, depending on the actual text effect and so on, it does all the thinking for you, so you don't have to do any of that thinking yourself, which is powerful. You can even do it in such a way where you can do combinations. You can have an avatar to the right and close up. You can have the avatar not close up in another scene, and then you have total choices here, and then all these scenes are automatically created. You see this, some of them are 2 seconds long, some of them are 5 seconds long, and so on and so forth. They're fully flexible upon what you think. And for example, you can click on here, and then you can go in, for example, and then you can even change the background and remove the background image. So for example, if I have this image for delivery, I can remove the background from within the app and add that as a background image, or also an image into the actual project. Okay, we have different choices available. So as you can see here, it put in that truck. I can put that delivery truck as the actual, it has an AI background removal feature here. So let me select that. And then now I can make that into the background. You see this, how cool that is? So this is the kind of stuff that you can do. Now all you have to do, click next, and then you can click a project name and render it out in full HD. So the project name in this case, as you can see here, is right here. I'm putting that in right now, as you can see here. Project name, let's say it is sales video. That's the project name. I want to click create video. Boom, you are done. Automatically it's doing its job, and then it's going to show up right here. Now after the video is created, you have 3 options. One, you can download it, clicking the download button to your right here. You can clone this project and create another one, or you can even go back and edit it and re-render it again if you made a mistake on this project. So you have those options as well in this section. So that is in a nutshell what AvatarBuilder is. It's so easy to use. Now, of course, there's so many other features and so on available in the app. So I'll be going through them and some other secret stuff that are within it. And when you're testing it, you'll notice all those secret features as well and stunning features built in. But see how easy it is to just paste the text, create a 3D animated video, and create any kind of output. And because of the fact that you can create video backgrounds and you can add all kinds of cool stuff, what happens is you can bring videos from other apps into this as well, which is extraordinarily powerful. And we have other templates and so on and so forth we are adding every single day, which is unique. Like, for example, animated templates, mock-up templates, and so on and so forth, to really drive home the point that you can create videos of any kind with AvatarBuilder. That's the kind of flexibility that we have. You can change a bunch of text, you can change a few things, and you're good to go in just a few minutes. Powerful stuff. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and start creating beautiful videos with AvatarBuilder.